most sellers start with a basic product photo. Now in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to turn it into a professional product photography from premium campaigns and one cinematic motion ad. No studio, no Photoshop, no designers, and no video editors. All right, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do all these cinematic styles for one product, maintaining the whole style of the product. All right, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to do a luxury studio hero, clean, sharp, high trust, the kind of image that makes a product look expensive. Okay, just upload a product, give it a prompt, select some creative style, add some options that you want, your generation settings, and just click generate. That is all. And in just seconds, you're going to have like a high quality product photography as it was made in a studio. Now, let's make the next one. It's going to be a lifestyle story scene. Same product. Now it tells a story and buyers can instantly imagine it, owning it. Right? And if that's not all, let's just go ahead and create another one. And this one is going to be a promo offer campaign, like a campaign ready promo version. This is what stops the scroll, perfect for ads, launches, and seasonal pushes. Okay, and I'm going to make like multiple images of this for the video. And then let's just make another placement, like a UGC influencer vibe. This is like an authentic UGC style shot. It feels real, and that's exactly why it's going to be converting. Okay, let's just modify a couple of prompt wording over here. Make sure we're getting the best possible result. And let's see, gym scene. Awesome. Cool. Let's just go ahead and generate this last one. Let's go with wide angle for this one. And I think we can go with the golden hour. Yeah, it's going to be good. Let's just go with the scene. All right, cool. So another image in a UGC style has been generated in just seconds. So in under 2 minutes, I was able to put this product in 4 different styles, 4 different scenes. And that's not all. Next phase is to turn it into a high quality animation video with the same style. Okay, let's just take the best performing images and turn it into a animation motion, a clean cinematic product video that you can use for reels, TikTok shorts, and product pages. Okay, cool. Let's just add these images. Cool. And put a prompt over here. Okay. Like a clean cinematic product video that is actually setting this product in motion. The bodybuilder is going to come, pick it up, and show it to the camera lens, make it a really cinematic look while maintaining all of the properties of the product. So let's go ahead and see how this is going to turn out. Yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah, maybe we can do also video with the perfect motion. Yeah, I just want to make sure like the motion is perfect. Cool, 16:9, that's fine by me. We're going to do this one for high quality. It's going to cost more credits, but that's okay. Let's just generate the video. And in a couple of minutes, you're going to get this high quality cinematic video looking for any kind of product that you can imagine. All right, so this is exactly what you can do at the end of this training. And today I'm going to show the exact pipeline step by step live. So if you want to do this on demand for your products or for your clients, stay with me. Stay until the end because in a few minutes you'll watch me build this from scratch live and show you everything.